is stupid. I'm sad about it. Hey.
Bad dream. Pictures of guys.
The living room is a little bit of a mess right now, but we got this hanging plant. We had it outside and now it's here. And our place looks like a jungle. In a good way. Unfortunately, I've been having really bad allergies. So I still have to do the spray. And everything is fixed. We got addicted to it and then... yeah. Let's make some coffee first. So... oh, look at the peppers. Carrie got these peppers and they look so cute. We dried them out. So this is the holy temple. Look at that. There's coffee, proteins, more coffee, vitamins. This is like a good place. And all my coffee machines. I have one over here too. Let me put you on this paper roll. Perfect. If you like coffee and if you own a kettle, this is an electric kettle. We have it in Europe a lot. I don't think it's as common in America. If you have one, that's fine. Like, you probably know how to warm up the water. If you don't have one, get yourself one. Get one that has a thermometer so that you know how hot your water is. Trust me when I say, mark my words. 60 degrees Celsius, that's 140 Fahrenheit. I searched it. To 160 at most. That's the perfect temperature. You just warm it up like that and you just take that sip. It's perfect. So yeah, let's do that. So now we wait. So you see it went kind of like between 60 65. It's so perfect. I usually wake up earlier. My husband, we wake up together. We make 2 cups of coffee. Now I'm just gonna prepare one for him. I'm putting in just the coffee. And I'm gonna make myself the coffee with the water. And I'm making instant coffee usually. I'm sorry about this. Just don't look at it. Here. Yeah, I'm making instant coffee. I got like Nescafe, Jacobs, Jacobs, like you call it probably. Gold, decaf, normal. I got hazelnut filter coffee, but today we're just drinking instant. So, I like my coffee black. Like I do my hair, my eyelashes, my eyeliner, and my clothes. So every morning, I fill the dog's water with fresh water and some food. It's actually left from yesterday, but... and then we'll go to feed the kitties. We got this stray kitty and her baby. Ignore the dirty window. But they're just eating. I get them some food and fresh water every day because the services that neuter strays are not really talking back to us. Hey kitty. Hi. Oh my god. You're so cute. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother them anymore. Now since I've shown you the food chain, let me show you over here. Got a little beta. Hi, beta. I feed those two little things every day. This is the other one. I fostered this for my sister. She got it away from the adult fish when it was fried, and he's grown so much. Now I'm gonna take you to the bathroom. Just gonna put some makeup on. This light is low-key giving. You can't see much, so it's kind of perfect. Yeah, I'm gonna turn the light on. I'm gonna put you somewhere. Okay. I think you can see enough. Here, I moisturized my face already. Usually I put some sunny on, 2 fingers all over your face. Show. Ouch. I have a little thing for evil eyes. This is a gift from my husband. I love evil eyes. I feel protected. And tell me what you guys think about them. Like, do you believe them? In them? My sister hates them. She's like, this is a bunch of crap. This is stupid. What is this? I'm like, but like, you know, when they give you the eye, it's like a bad energy, bad juju. She's like, can't believe you're believing these things. Anyway, so I would start with, sometimes I don't even put like foundation on. I usually go for a little BB cream. The BB cream has always been there for me, guys, since I was, I don't know, like 14. And I hate to say that I'm a baby girl, but I am. And I'm using this thing. It's from NYX. And you need the tiniest amount for those under eye circles. I lower it all the way to my smile lines. And this is how we go about it. So then I would do some eyebrows. I had my eyebrows laminated. Not laminated, that's a lie. I got them once. I had my eyebrows microneedled. You can check that video somewhere, I'll just link it. But yeah, it was perfect. And it doesn't last forever. And if you want to do it again, you have to pay like $200, and you also have to stay laying there without anesthesia. And she has this needle, and she goes like literally just carving out the hairs on your skin. So that was pretty traumatizing. Like, I would love to have some anesthetic cream over there, something to numb it. But she didn't do that. She was like, no, we need to know how much you're hurting. And I understand that's probably right, but it sucked. Anyway, then I would go, don't tell anyone this. We're not gonna gatekeep. Whatever, this is from Essence. I've been trying it the last month or so. Whenever you have a mascara that has bee wax in it, like synthetic bee wax, these are both, I'm not sure if they're vegan. Whenever they have synthetic bee wax, just put them somewhere, do them with your hairdryer a little bit, or put them in between your legs, or put them on your under poop, and just leave them there for a second to just let it soak. No, don't let it soak. Just warm it up a little bit before you actually use it. Before we move on that, I'm gonna take this little guy, and we're gonna make sure that concealer stays under our eyes. And sometimes if I'm too extra, I would put some of this on my eyebrows too. I haven't found a product that works for me. I think I want Anastasia Beverly Hills one, but so far I haven't found one that works for me. I just have to put the money on that product, I think, because whatever I'm using so far, it puts them up for a bit, and then NYX's didn't work for me. It clumped up and it looked like I have cum all over my eyebrows. It was terrible. But yeah. When I had orange hair, I used to wear this. Like, it was so good. But now I have to get it from my hair color, so this won't work. But this stays on for a legit 3 days, and it's perfect. We're gonna do this. You kind of look crazy for a bit, which is always fun. So I don't know if you're supposed to leave that to dry completely or what. This has been pretty good combo. This primer is ancient. Not this particular one, but like they've had this since like 10 years ago. And it's always been good. Yeah, back in the day, it didn't smell as good as it does nowadays. So give that a try. It's like super inexpensive. So to be honest with you, if I was to go out, I would put some eyeliner on, some contouring, maybe even some blush. Let's fucking look to blush now. Yeah, usually when I'm just at home, I don't put a lot of stuff. It's a little something when I'm feeling like it. Sometimes I don't put anything. And what really changes it for me, oh, if I'm gonna film something, favorite thing to do, I grab this contour stick from NYX. It's one of my favorites. I go like this. You know how TikTok taught you? And then I go like this and this. And then I go like this. And then blend it. Like so. And I leave the tiniest little space here. Blend, blend, blend. And then I go like whoop. Boom. My lips, I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't really put something on them. I put some Liposan, which is like Aquaphor, but like on a stick. I don't have it right now, so we're just gonna... So, this was it. This was the morning routine. And sometimes it's worse than this. Like, sometimes I just get up and go in the room and just work on stuff. But sometimes it's not. Maybe we should take the hair down to feel a little more like... I don't know, guys. I got a haircut and I did not love it. Do you love it? Why would you love it? But like, I mean, like, if you had it, would you love it? I asked for a V cut in the back, you know, like a V, not like a V, a V. So this is what I got. I'm sad about it, but the rest of it, I guess it's good. Short. Doing the woman hairstyles, you know. But yeah. Maybe I eat, maybe I don't eat in the morning. Depends on how my stomach is feeling. Depends on what my husband is doing. Like, maybe he cooks something for us. In other words, I don't usually cook in the morning. And if I do, it's gonna be 2 slices of bread, 1 slice of yellow cheese, and that in a sandwich maker, which you also don't have much, I learned in the States. But yeah, it's like a panini maker. You just pushed everything together. And if I make one, I'll show you. Peace.
Why are you laughing, bud? What happened to them, do you think?
And one very important thing I do every day is I rinse or wash my water bottle and I fill it. It has 32 and then it says time to refill. That's from yesterday. And then another 32. And it has the times for the first part of the day and for the second part of the day. And of course you gotta pee all the time, but at least you know that you're staying healthy. If you thought that I was not gonna show you where I work, this is where I work from. I have my lappy over here, and I usually have my hard drive hooked on it, but whenever it's nighttime, I'm terrified that it's gonna fall. So instead, I just put it somewhere safe because my other hard drive got completely messed up, and I have my New York footage on it. I'm praying that somebody's gonna fix it for me. But yeah, this is where I sit, and then when Garrett wakes up and when Dexter wakes up, we do more stuff. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't stop being a bad bitch.